Yeah, Will. Go ahead.
We're about to have some fun.
Wishing I could rewind time, want you back in my room like I do with a movie. Broken my heart and mind so many times now you can see right through me. And when I fell down, you were never around, and you need me, oh, you need me now, please. Wishing I could rewind time, want you back in my room like I do with a movie. Wishing I could rewind time, want you back in my room like I do with a movie. Broken my heart and mind so
Got some good news today. Good news for me, nothing like, you know, super crazy, but I was hoping that my workday was gonna get canceled because we were gonna get some wintry weather. A lot of times where I live, we don't get a lot of wintry weather, snow, ice, and stuff like that. So whenever it happens, it almost like shuts down the whole area, shuts down the whole town and stuff like that. So it's that has actually happened. My work got canceled for the day. So now we're gonna start a vlog. We're gonna try to have some fun. We're expecting some snow possibly. So we'll see what the day entails. I'm up early. We are I'm already on the grind. I have already pumped out a video. I got it rendering right now. So we're gonna see what all this day is gonna hold. I'm gonna do a little vlog just to have some fun and kind of remember, you know. So let's have some fun today. Gotta start the day off with some of the essentials, you know. Got some of my creamer right here. Gonna make some coffee with a Keurig. Got some Starbucks coffee right here. We gotta go with the caramel light roast blend. Nothing too crazy. We got some of these essentials here. The peanut butter and jelly, just in case we get snowed in. You know what I'm saying? We had to prepare just in case like we lose power and all that stuff. We had to get ready. Let's get this going, you guys. We got some coffee hype going. Let's get it.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath.
It's not quite snowing yet, but we have freezing rain. Some of the ice is sticking whenever it hits the ground too. So I'm pretty sure there's gonna be some snow on the way here in just a little bit. You can see it like bouncing off the ground. I would say it's lit, but really it's not. It's actually the opposite. It's frozen. It's freezing. Man, it's really coming down. It's really coming down. You guys don't understand. It snows like once every like, I don't know, 5 to 10 years. Holy crap, it's snowing. Oh, I just about, woo! My neighbors are laughing at me. I just about busted my butt. I got flip-flops on in the snow. That's what happens when it snows in the south.
Look at Dex. It's snowing outside and he's
Say
wearing
hi, guys.
flip-flops and shorts.
Hi. The snow is finally here now. This is like super crazy. I don't know if I've like ever seen snow like this. It's crazy. I think I'm on the sidewalk. I don't really know. Sidewalk, oh, maybe sidewalk's right here. This is in my neighborhood. It's pretty crazy. Look at those crazy geese. The geese are even in the water out there. Isn't that cold? Like they're way too crazy. That's way too cold for me. I'm not about that. You can see how much I'm bundled up now. All of this snow has been so crazy. There's seriously so much snow all over the ground. This is probably like the most snow we've gotten since like, I don't know, like 89, I don't know, something crazy like that. It's been really cool to see all this, but not like, you know, we don't get to experience it. So I'm trying to stay warm, super bundled up right now. This is my front yard. Hey, Blair.
Blair, I think she's like shivering.
Yeah, she's cold now. We tried making a snowman, but we don't know how to make snowmen in the south with fluffy snow. This is pretty bad. It's pretty bad. Yeah, that's just a little snowman. Looks more like honestly, it looks more like a nipple.
I know. All right, let's go in. Okay, we gotta go in for a little bit.
Okay, Blair.
Come on, just for a little bit.
I'm about to get smoked. Oh gosh.
Yeah, Will. Go ahead.
We're about to have some fun. Oh! Safe. I busted my lip. I don't even know how to play in the snow, bro. Is it bad?
No, it ain't bad.
All I can taste is blood. Oh, you give me your ice pack?
There you go, buddy. Damn, you didn't bust your lip. It's the top.
Ew, dude. Ew. What a new... We don't know what's about to happen right here, so let's see what Alex can do.
I'm fucking scared. You're big for the boogie board.
Oh! We're about to go for a ride on the golf cart.
Oh, yeah,
We're rolling with the neighbors. Where's Byron at? Say what's up, bro.
What's poppin', slut?
Out here.
Oh.
Hey, what's up?
No.
Say what's up, YouTube.
What up, YouTube? Holla at me. I don't have a YouTube page, but I'm about to.
Yeah.
Follow me after you follow him. You gotta follow him first. He's
Yeah, we'll drop his link down in the description if he ever gets one. We'll have to remember to go back to this video. Yeah, we haven't experienced anything like this in a very, very, very long time, so we're trying to make the most of it. It's almost like being a kid again. It's pretty fun. For those of you that live in the north, you're probably like, dude, it's snowing. What's the big deal? But you don't understand. Like, I live in South Carolina, so like this happens, you know, once in a blue moon / never.
Slow, cuz.
It's pretty cool for us.
Go.
Oh God.
Slow. You rolling? Yeah, go. Slow.
Oh Lord. Oh God. Bye. Yep. Oh, we're getting it, boys. Yeah. Oh, Dad Bot's cooking. Oh, God, dude. Oh. I bet I could do this a lot better with a controller. Oh, I'm trying to say. Oh, my God. Oh! Yeah. All right. Yep. Take two. Oh yeah. I'm about to be on the X Games now. Oh yeah!
Oh! Yes! Make a snow angel!
Thank God there's snow there.
Go fast with Jack. You gonna hold on? You got to go fast too.
Just keep that front nose up as much.
Yeah, you gotta go up. Get your fat ass off the
Got to hold on.
Hey, watch out.
Hey, what's funny is it's like once you start going, it's not like being on a water ski. You don't automatically get your grip balance back. It's like you gotta find it again. Oh, jump the wake, bro. Ooh. Oh. What's up, bro?
Got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now, don't hold it in too long, 'cause you'll find you're missing out. A last short little song, just saying ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live.
What are we doing? Standing up. He stood up.
Whatever you want to do, man. It's your life, your hospital bill.
Ah, man, I'm still paying one off.
Oh. Did you even try? You went crooked.
Man, it just happened. I was trying to get some through. So I was gliding, I was going with it.
Keep the front end up. He's I think he's nervous. Make a snow angel. Oh, where? Oh, jeez.
Yeah, I got it.
Good save. Yeah. Getting to do all this stuff has been really fun today. That's why I decided to vlog it and just kind of share some with you guys. And some of you may have been experiencing it with me. Some of you may not have. You know, a lot of the East Coast is getting hit with it. But yeah, I wanted to just kind of share with you guys. I'm getting hit in the face with snow right now. But yeah, I wanted to kind of vlog it and just share with you guys what my day was like and stuff. So hope you enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to leave a like. Be sure to subscribe if you want to come back for more COD content. And I will catch you guys in another video sometime soon. See you later. Peace.